Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I hope you're all having a lovely day. I have got a spoiler video for you, and this is a Look Fantastic box, and this is the July beauty subscription box. This is what it looks like. So as always, if you're new to Look Fantastic and you're interested in learning a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in July's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's based in the UK, but it ships worldwide. The box costs £15 a month, and if you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month. But they also do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Now inside the box you will receive 6 beauty treats, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, nails and makeup tools as well. Being a subscriber for nearly 3 years, I would say that this is more of a skincare heavy box. So if skincare is your thing, then I definitely recommend you checking this box out. As with all subscription boxes, they're mystery boxes, so some months are better than others. This is one of my favourite beauty boxes, hence why I've been subscribed for so long. But the reason I've got it early is because, as well as keeping my subscription running, I opt for a 12-month subscription, which I pay, I think it's £13 a month. I use those boxes as giveaways on my Instagram page or my Facebook page, which are both the same, Diaryofabeautygeek, plus I give them away to friends and family as gifts. So this box is an actual PR box, so that is why it's received early, because I'm on Look Fantastic's PR list, so they send me the boxes to show you and tell you all about it. But if you're a subscriber, they aim to ship out the boxes within the first week of the month, and that's within the UK, and then obviously it's a little bit later depending on where you are in the world. All links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below, so underneath the description you see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So if I've missed any information out, I'll pop it down in the comments as well. But let's get on to showing you what I got inside. There's always a little quote inside, and it says, "Glowing skin is always in." I haven't opened it yet. I haven't opened it, so I'm super excited to open it. I don't receive a press release for Look Fantastic, so every month is a surprise for me. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. You might not be able to see everything there. You've got a little card, and it says here, "To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you all love the products inside the box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we will bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support, the beauty box team." So because this box was sent to me early, I don't have the prices of the items, but when the digital info comes out, I will let you know. I'll pop it up on all my social media channels, but also I'll let you know what the sneak peek is as well. So we got 7 products this month, and it looks like we might have a little freebie in there, so I'll go through them one by one. It's got a little bar or something. It's a Botanical Soap, Jasmine and Tuberose, and it's by the brand Le Covent. And what gorgeous packaging. That is absolutely stunning. As you see there. So it says on the back here, nothing really. I do miss the leaflets. I really do miss the leaflets, but I understand what's going on. I understand. But yeah, so it's a soap, and this is a Jasmine and Tuberose. I love soaps like this. Whenever I go abroad, I have to have them. I absolutely love the paper packaged ones. I got loads of them. I've got them from Cyprus, Italy, Greece. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells really nice. But then it's the sort of thing I won't use because I keep them. It says 1614 on it. Oh, beautiful. Not too strongly scented, but just nice and fresh. So you've got a Botanical Soap there. Next we've got a cognac sponge, and this is a charcoal cognac sponge. This is by the brand So Eco. And you can see inside it's damp. There. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like. Now, I've had one of these before and they're lovely. They're really nice. This product is 100% biodegradable and acts as a gentle exfoliator. This charcoal infused sponge is ideal for someone with oily skin. You can see through the packaging that it's damp. I wonder why they keep it damp. I don't know the science behind these things. But there, that's what it looks like there. So nice and squidgy. So I'll put that back in there. So we got a cognac sponge. Next we got a product by NUX. This is an exfoliating and unifying mask and contains rose and macadamia, and it's 15 ml, and it says for all skin types, even sensitive. We got another item by the same brand as well. Now I haven't tried this before. So it's new to, oh, it just looks like jelly. Oh, I just want to put my fingers in it. Oh my word, I'm gonna have to. Oh, that is gorgeous. I can't put my finger right in because it'd be stuck in my nails and everything. But look, you see what I mean? Isn't that gorgeous? So what's it supposed to do again? I did say, didn't I? It doesn't smell strong of rose, which I'm glad because I'm not that keen on rose smells, but oh, it smells like a cocktail. Don't know what cocktail, but it smells like cocktail. So yeah, so you got a face mask there. And the other item, I believe, was our sneak peek from last month. And this is by the same brand, Nux. Am I saying that right? Nux. Tell me down below how I'm supposed to pronounce it. But I say Nux. Anyway, multi-correction gel cream for normal to combination skins. And we got 15 mils here. So what's it say on the back? Apply in the morning to the face, neck and décolleté. I notice a gel cream. Let's try a little bit on my hand here. That feels really nice. It's got a very faint smell. That is absorbing really, really well into my hand. I wonder multi-correction, whether that would be like for pigmentation, any like blemishes on the face. I don't know, multi-correction. Brightening, etc. Actually, what I'll do is all products that are featured in this box this month, I will have a look on the Look Fantastic website, because if you didn't already know, it's a massive beauty website, and I'll have a look to see if I can find these products, and then I'll put the links down below. So if you want to learn a little bit more about each product, then you're welcome to take a look there. So yeah, so we got a cream. Next we've got a serum, and this is Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. We've got 7 mils here. Now I've tried this a few times in subscription boxes. I'm not sure if I've received it in Look Fantastic before, but I have tried it and it is really nice. I'm all for vitamin C skincare products, anything for brightening, and it just helps with getting rid of discoloration on my face. I got pigmentation. No matter how much SPF I put on my face, it always happens in the summer somehow, and it's always around my eyes there and on my forehead. Our award-winning Zingy Gel Serum reduces pigmentation and uneven skin tone while boosting hydration, elasticity and texture. And directions: smooth serum onto cleansed face, neck and neck using gentle upward strokes. And it says here, never tested on animals and it's vegan. Then we've got a lipstick by, I think this is Sleek, is it? Yeah. It's a matte lipstick there, matte liquid lipstick in shade French Fancy. Now we might have different shades, I'm not too sure. That colour is gorgeous. It is a bit of a bright colour for me, but it's a sort of colour I would wear scraped off hair, scraped off, no, not scraped off, scraped back hair and quite like defined eyes and just nice bold lips. That is gorgeous. I do like these matte me lipsticks. Sleek is a brand that is hit and miss with me. There's a lot I don't like their eyeshadow palettes. They're okay, but they're not amazing. But yeah, their lipsticks are really nice, so I am chuffed with that. And then lastly then, which might be our freebie item, or it might not be. Because normally we get 6 and we got 7, so that might be an extra offer. I don't know, but anyway. We've got a mask, and this is by Erno Laszlo, and this is a multitask eye serum mask, and it's 1 pair of under eye masks there. Really, really nice. They're quite pricey, but I think these come in a little box of 5, something like that, I think. So you might be able to buy them individually, I'm not too sure. But it says a silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles. This multitasking eye patch is a high-powered serum infused with algae extract, vitamin B3 and alanoin to deliver immediate results under the eye area. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items inside Look Fantastic's July beauty box. The box costs £15 and I can't tell you the value, but I will find out and let you know. So we've got a matte liquid lipstick by Sleek, we've got a face mask by Nux, we've got a cognac sponge by So Eco, we've got a eye mask by Erno Laszlo, we've got a gorgeous soap by Le Covent, I think that's how you say it. And what else we got? Oh, we got a multi-correction cream by Nux, and we've got a vitamin C serum by Balance Me. I think for £15, yeah, there's definitely value for money there. And that soap, I probably won't use it. I'll probably keep it in my collection. For what? I don't know. For one major bath session. When I'm older, I haven't got a clue. I've got loads of them. But yeah, altogether, I'm really chuffed. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? How do you think it compares to previous boxes? Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to get your box in July? Or are you a non-subscriber thinking whether this box is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.